Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters, Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, but yep, I'm the van guy. I got more vans today. 2017 Coachmen Galleria. Very nice unit. We're so low on inventory, it was a blessing. We got this on trade. This is the 4-chair model. Come on inside. So this is your spacious bedroom in the back. I've got the couch folded down in the sleeping position for twin beds. We can fill the center in to make it a king-size bed if you want. This just covers on the back. You've got a pull down here in the rear of the unit. You've got side windows on both sides for your ventilation. Entertainment center here in the back. They have this panel off probably to do some work on it. We go through all our units, we make sure everything works, so when we go through delivery, you know how it works and you know how to operate it. Convection microwave, all self-closing drawers, all hardwood, and as you can see by all these cabinets, I'll just open a few. You have a ton of space down here. I'll leave that one open. Where are you going to plug it in? You're going to plug it in here. And then when you're done with it, you just get rid of it. Solar panel chargers up here. Your Truma heating system for your water. Generator start, all your tank capacities. Battery disconnect switch to shut everything off. Storage up on top. Does have remotes here to operate a lot of your appliances, the awning, the bed, etc. And there's one in the back as well. Both seats turn around up front. Backup camera. Of course, this is a 17, so it doesn't have the new 19 chassis. It's got an aftermarket. And telescoping steering wheel, all nice leather upgrades, power mirrors, windows, locks, brakes. Does have the Mercedes anti-collision back in the day. The new one actually stops you. So there are some improvements, like nice electric awning up on top. It'll come out from a few inches out to 8 feet. Has a wind sensor on it. Trailer hitch, because it'll tow up to 5,000 pounds. Already has the wiring. Backup camera's right up here. Here's your storage underneath. As you can see, there's a lot of space down there. These are for hangers. You release those and you can hang clothes. It's got lights on both sides. We'll go around on the driver's side. Exhaust for your generator. Plug in the Truma heating system. Outdoor shower. And here's your dump station down here, and it's operated with a macerator. And like all Sprinters, you access the fuel right here. Regular diesel, they only sell one kind. You don't need to worry about it. It's the one with the green hose. I know you might have a question or two. Give me a call direct, 541-554-9581. Track me down on my Facebook page, The Van Guy, or of course, use my email. Appreciate your time. Thank you.